G'day everyone, it's Chris O here from Queensland, Gold Coast, Australia. I've been a tiler for 35 years and this is a bathroom I'm doing. I'll turn the camera around. We're going halfway up the walls and then we're going VJ board on top of that, which I'll show you how to do also. It's quite interesting because most people have this type of tile on the floor, but these people are going on the wall, which I reckon is going to look pretty cool. For the DIYs, I spread my tile, I don't spread the wall. I reckon it's a lot cleaner to do that. When you spread a wall, you can get a lot of glue on the floor. But it depends, it all depends what you want to do. If you feel happier spreading the wall, that's cool. Oh, there's a cup of tea. Just finish that off. Here, to get that wall nice and flat, plumb and straight, it had to be for the shower screen, because the shower screen comes out there and across. It had to be dead plumb. With this tile, you've got to be dead plumb and straight, because you've got a pattern in it. But that wall was this one is not too bad, and that was, you know, pretty good. This wall's not too bad. So 1 out of 4, what can you do? You just adjust it accordingly, move on. I'll pack out for the VJ board. I'll show you how I do that later when I get to it. Here I have a cut for my pipes, but the good thing is they can just be square, because there's a backing board to the vanity. So I'll cut both them at once. Like that. That's the right hand side. Let's just cut them. I'll duck outside. I hope everyone's having a great day. It's beautiful. It's winter time here at the moment. Look at the beautiful sky and the trees. I'm on acreage doing this job. With the pattern on this tile, it doesn't matter how. Oh, just while I'm in here too in this laundry, the owners want. It coming up to 1,500. This tile, I've got to take up this floor tile and screed it level and bed my tiles down, my floor tile, same tile as the bathroom next door. I'm coming up to 1,500, and then that's the height of your cabinets, because they're going to have a few cabinets here on this wall. So we keep it the same, 1,500, and then VJ board around the top, which brings it all the same as the bathroom next door. I'll be doing the ensuite the same as this in here, same floor, same walls, which is cool. Okay, I'll carry on and I'll put up these tiles. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, poke the subscribe button. Cool, we'll see you soon. Bye.